Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Frying a whole chicken is usually considered to be a difficult task. Here is a recipe with simple marination and using simple ingredients to make this laborious process easy. To start with, I have taken a whole chicken and simple things like a tomato, garlic, and lemon, and sea salt, black pepper, paprika powder, and yogurt, and oil for cooking, and few veggies to go along. First, what we do is pat dry the chicken and marinate it with sea salt and allow it to soak up the salt for at least half an hour. Then we start with the second marination by adding pepper powder, a lemon juice, crushed garlic, paprika powder, a puree of 1 tomato, and yogurt. Yogurt and tomato helps in breaking up the proteins in the meat, so as the lemon. Rub the marination thoroughly on the chicken and allow it to soak up in the marination for at least an hour in the refrigerator. Now it's time to start cooking the chicken. Heat up little amount of oil and place the chicken with marination gently in the pan. Allow it to cook for at least 5 to 8 minutes. Let the flame be low. Carefully flip the chicken and allow it to cook on the other side for at least 10 to 12 minutes. Then cook it on all the sides thoroughly. You can give a coat of second marination and allow it to cook further. In the left out marination, I'll be adding some bell peppers. To check whether the chicken is cooked, just prick a chopstick. If no juices are secreted, then the chicken is cooked thoroughly. Add up the bell peppers and saute it for a minute or two. And our chicken is cooked and ready for serving. Please click the like button if you like this recipe. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we post new videos. Thank you.